Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Overwatch on PS4. The original Overwatch is no longer available for purchase or play. Instead, you'll need to download Overwatch 2, which is a free-to-play successor. This game offers all the heroes, maps, and modes you loved from the first game, plus new content. It's the definitive way to experience the world of Overwatch on your PlayStation 4 console today. Getting Overwatch 2 on your PlayStation 4 is straightforward. First, head to your PS4 home screen and open the PlayStation Store. Once there, use the search function to type in Overwatch 2. You'll see the game appear. Simply select it and choose the download button. Make sure you have sufficient storage, around 50 gigabytes, for the installation to complete smoothly. It's a quick process to get started. To dive into Overwatch 2, you'll need a PlayStation Network account, which you likely already have. Upon launching the game, you'll also be prompted to link or create a battle. Net account. This is essential for cross-progression and accessing all game features. A stable internet connection is crucial for the best online experience, as Overwatch 2 is an entirely online game. The good news is, you do not need a PlayStation Plus subscription to play free-to-play titles. Overwatch 2 brings a vibrant and competitive experience to your PlayStation 4. You can choose from a roster of over 35 unique heroes, each with distinct abilities. Engage in 5 vs 5 team battles across more than 25 diverse maps, offering strategic gameplay. The game receives consistent seasonal updates, introducing new heroes, maps, and exciting events. This ensures fresh content to explore and master. Get ready for endless hours of fun.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.